Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, Nkululeko from Married at First Sight Mzansi is married. He is finally married, and the lady that you see here in this video is the lucky lady, Sana. She is the lucky lady. Unfortunately, it was not Umakoto, as we all know that on the show he was paired with Umakoto, and it was such a disaster. Their relationship was such a disaster. They didn't get married at first sight, okay? So the show was playing on Netflix, for those who don't know. Such a great show, it's where couples see each other for the first time, they pair them with different people, and then that is why the show is called Married at First Sight. So Nkululeko got married, and he looks so happy. Like, even in his TikTok videos, he looks so happy. And I wonder what is Makoto saying. So Makoto is the lady that he was paired with on the show, because the lady Umakoto used to accuse Nkululeko of being gay. She used to say, this guy is gay, wara wara, this guy has not touched me ever since we got here in this show, so this guy is gay. Sometimes a person is not gay, they just don't feel you like that, the way that you think. Like, maybe he was not feeling her shame, but yeah, he got married, and he invited the people that he was on the show with, as we can see here. um these are the guys that were also on the show. They were there to support him and just enjoy the marriage, man. And they look so good together. And I don't know, they might be expecting something, but I'm just speculating, looking at the lady, of course. I'm just speculating. I do not know, but congratulations to Unkululeko. He has found the love of his life, Sana, and this is proof that he is not gay. So pain went straight to Umakoto, Sana. Pain went straight to Umakoto, because she thought she was embarrassing him by telling people, like, hey, this guy is gay, he has not touched me ever since we got here. The private parts are not working, it does not get up. But look at this guy, happily married to Sana. Do you think this lady was going to agree to get married to him if it was not working? If the private part was not working? Of course not. So maybe Shamge, the feelings were not that strong to, you know, proceed to the next level. But anyway, we wish him all the best. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next upload.